Welcome to my kitchen. I'm Busy Dad. I've got my helper here tonight. And tonight, we're cooking 3-cup chicken. This is usually a dish that would need to be cooked in a clay pot for a while. But we're busy people. You probably are too. So we're not going to do it that way tonight. We're going to do it fast. It will be about 92% as good as if you spent an hour on it. Alright, let's go! So you join us today in the middle of cooking dinner. We've got our chicken already in the pot. It's been in there for about 15 minutes, maybe 10, maybe 12, and it looks pretty good. We're cooking this first because we want all those juices you see in the pot to come out of there. They're going to flavor everything else we cook afterwards. So now we've got our pot. We've taken the chicken out, broken it up into little pieces, and we're going to add a little bit of sesame oil.
The sesame oil looks good.
Sesame oil is good. This is going to be flavored with sesame oil, vinegar, and soy sauce. So next here goes in onion. This is white onion. You could use green onion. It would be pretty flexible. Also going in the pot at this point is eggplant, cubed up. We're going to cover this and let it cook a little bit. Want this to start getting soft. Here comes the cover. Alright, wait 5 minutes, take this back off. Okay, when this comes off, it's going to look like this. That eggplant is not totally cooked, but that is okay, because on this is going celery. This doesn't need as long to cook. This is to provide some crunch. And you can see that eggplant is soaking up all the juice from the chicken. And we're going to add to it so that it tastes even better. If you don't like greens, you can leave those out. Now while all this is going on, we're going to mix up our sauce. Got a little bit of corn flour down there. And to that, we will add some rice wine, some soy sauce, and some black vinegar. And we'll mix that up, and this will be the flavoring for our dish. Smells good already. Oh yes. So, we'll give that soy sauce mixture a nice mix up to incorporate the flour, and add that in here. And then we'll give this a few minutes to thicken up just a little bit. Now when we feel like this has sufficiently cooked through, and all this eggplant is soft and the sauce has thickened a little bit, we'll take our cubed up chicken and add this back in and incorporate it. This is a small pan. I would do this in a bigger pan if I was doing it again. Your mileage may vary.
What does your mileage may vary mean?
It means you may have a better outcome if you do this a different way. So let's plate this up and try it. So, we've got our wonderful dish here. Let's put that right there.
Is that this plate?
This is my plate. And now it is time for the best part of the cooking experience, which is when you get to try what you've made. So here we go. Got a piece of chicken there. Is it good? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Alright, that's it for tonight. If you liked this, and I hope you did, please click like, subscribe, ring that bell so that next time we can bring you some additional dish that you'll love. That's it. Join me next time. And maybe my helper too, when Busy Dad is cooking.